Kau semla Ibankerbha Mawlong, baru Andrew bare Rani. Kalong ki arngut ki samla banyora, ya kenam Lahduh Miss and Mr. Mawlai Pageant aracara punriu, kablalong hak arpulai trik lalingkot aracara punriu, hamran he stadium Mawlai Putmuri, kumshibenta gajindap arhusnem juga sing samla Mawlai Pelun. Hakil yang kintei, kasamla rochel, warika baman, klayora kekedan kebaar, kat bakasamla da pishisha Mawlong, klayora kekedan kabalai. Hagal yang jongishin rangpat, usamla direk warlarpi, ulayo rai ke kedan kebaar, berusamla Felix Kartang mau, ulayo rai ke kedan kabalai. Hakari kesngi, keseng samla Mawlai Pelun, kelas samru ki kusnam kerpang, lagi special award, hakabaya kanam Best Fusion, Traditional Dress, hakal yang jong kintei, layo rai ke samla Rochel, wadika baman, kat bahakal yang ki shinrang, layo rai do samla demi wan ki kirim, pada kemis Catwalk layo ra da kesamla da pishisha Mawlong, kat bah kemis de Catwalk layo ra da usamla Michael Devin Shabong, kat bah kenam Miss Personality layo ra da kesamla Kelariti Kargongor, pada ke Best Personality hakil yang kishinrang layo ra do samla Derek Warlarpi.
Good evening, respected judges, honorable organizers, and my beloved Mawlai. I am Pibansra Kongji, and 19 years of age, and I am currently pursuing my law degree at Northeastern Hill University. I believe that the strongest accessory a woman can wear is her voice. As an aspiring lawyer, my mission is to trade the pageant state for the courtroom, advocating for those whose stories go often unheard. Just as I stand here before you tonight, with confidence and grace, I intend to stand before the bench, convicting. Tonight, I am proud to present my Maura as we refine what it means to lead with grace and justice. Thank you and have a wonderful night ahead.
A very pleasant evening, esteemed judges and my wonderful audience. I am Lily Mary Carson-Teal, contestant number 2, 17 years of age, and I am very honored to represent my community, Mawlai Mawlong. Tonight, I stand here not just to represent myself, but to represent every youth and their voice that deserves to be heard. And tonight, I carry the spirit of my people, culture, and my generation. Thank you, Kublai Shibun.
Elegance is not about being noticed, but being remembered. Kublai Mawlai. And good evening, everybody present here. My name is Kelariti Kargongor. I am 23 years of age, and I am currently pursuing my master's in computer applications. And I am proudly representing Mawlai Kintan Masar. Alongside my academic journey, I am also working as a news reader in one of the local news channel. In this pageant, I see a platform that purpose can be represented over beauty. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone, and dear judges. Good evening, everyone, and to you all here. My name is Jasfi Naushla. I am 16 in age. I am here to participate. I am contestant number 4. My hobby is cooking and learning painting. Thank you to you all. and to everyone present here tonight. First of all, I would like to thank the Seng Samla Mawlai Balloon for giving me this opportunity. This stage is not just where I stand, but where my voice begins. My name is Rochelle Warika Baman, a proud 22-year-old from Mawlai, Mautawar. By profession, I am a fashion designer, but apart from designing clothes, I also love traveling, spending time with my family, art and painting. I stand here today not just only to chase for the crown, but also to embrace my confidence and to inspire others that if they believe in themselves, they can achieve anything. Thank you so much. Kublai Shibon.
Good evening, respected judges and everyone present here. My name is Andrea Olivia Lingdor. I am 23 years today. A new year that reminds me to grow, evolve, and to believe in myself even more. I am standing here tonight representing Mawlai Nonglo. In my my hobbies are I am a recent graduate and I am currently working to gain experience and grow personally and professionally. In my free time, I like listening to music and invest in self-development because I believe that confident, resilient, and continuous self-development is the key to become the best version of myself. Thank you.
Judges and every one of you present here tonight. My name is Jurika M.B. Walang. I was born and grew up here in Shillong and I represented my localities, which is Mawlai Kanton Masar. My diversion is dancing and I used to dance in music video. I want to take this platform to inspire, learn, especially for the young girls. Rooted in culture and guided by strength. Thank you, Kublai Shibon.
Confidence doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from believing in yourself. A very good evening, respected judges, and to you all present here today. I am Bapi Pinkaman Mary Masar, proud dress. I represent a young woman who chose growth over fear, confidence over silence, and purpose over doubt. And I stand here with pride, confidence, and gratitude. Thank you. Kublai Shibon.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Warm greetings to everyone present here, especially my esteemed judges. I, Ilasara Thongni, deem it a great honor and privilege to be presented before you all tonight. I'm a state-level athlete and I'm currently pursuing my 11th standard at St. Anthony's High Secondary School. Anything that involves art excites me, which is why in my leisure time, I find joy in dancing, singing, playing instruments, and above all, writing. Talking about writing, I am currently working on an article dedicated to child safety and responsibility. Raised by a resilient single mother, I learned the true value and essence of resilience, perseverance, and determination. Tonight, I stand here before you all representing Mawlai Mawlong. But no, I'm here not just for locality. I represent Mawlai as a whole because after all, we are all family. My traditional attire is inspired by Kapanong Lat, a lady who portrays that a woman's strength is unconquerable, and I strive to be her, to step on to her legacy. My true purpose of being here tonight is not just to showcase myself, but to inspire the youth of Mawlai that your dreams matter. I am here embracing myself, and I encourage every young dreamer to do the same. Thank you. Kublai Shibon.
I can do anything through Christ who strengthened me. Philippians chapter 4 verse 13. Kajanmiat basok bakamen yapibaro. A very good evening, respected judges, and to you all present here. My name is Lara Baman. I'm 18 years of age. I came from a beautiful place of Mawlai, Mautawar. I'm currently pursuing my mechanical engineering studies, which challenge me every day and help me grow. Outside the academic, I love traveling, cooking. I am here to challenge myself, represent my community with dignity, and prove that I am ready for this platform. Thank you, Kublai Shibon.
Dare to shine, dare to dream, and dare to be different. As true beauty begins when you decide to be yourself. A very good evening to my honorable judges and to all my audience. Hello, Mawlai! I am Dafishisha Mawlong, so honored to represent Mawlai Mawlong, a girl who loves exploring and learning new things because every lesson opens new doors for creativity, learning, and self-improvement. Tonight, I stand here not only just to compete, but to also inspire others. Because when passion meets purpose, greatness follows. Thank you, Kublai Shibon, and have a wonderful evening.
Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. Kublai P. Baro Kajanmiat Kabakmen. Good evening, respected judges, and every one of you present here. My name is Evangeline Karthangmao, hailing from Mawlai Umjioy. I am 24 years of age and currently pursuing my master's degree in English at Assam Don Bosco University. My interest is mainly in art and craft, which include sewing, cooking, and painting. And I am a makeup artist and a stylist. I stand here because I dare to dream, taking every opportunity that comes my way and making life worth living. My dream is to explore the beauty of my own state, Meghalaya, and to see the wonders of the world. Thank you, Kublai Shibun.
My name is Mayan Bolang Lingdo Nongpur, 18 years old, representing Mawlai Mawlong. My ambition in life is to become a professional football trainer. I believe in discipline and hard work, and I'm grateful for this opportunity to challenge myself and grow. Thank you.
I'm not here to fit into any title. I'm here to grow into one. Good evening, everyone, respected judges, my fellow contestants, and everyone present here. My name is Ibankerbha. I'm 18 years old and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's with honors in political science. A few things about me is that I like dancing and singing. I also enjoy baking as well as reading novels, and I aspire to be an MCS officer. And with confidence in who I am and respect for what this platform stands for, I am ready to earn my place. Thank you.
A very good evening, esteemed judges, and to everyone who present here. I am Derek Swalarpi, a proud resident of Mawlai, Pudmuri. I'm a graduate student in English Honours and a state-level basketball player and a passionate coach who believe sports is more than just a game, it's a way of life. I love traveling, hiking, and spending more time with nature. Through sports, I've learned discipline, humility, and resilience. I'm also a person who never give up easily in life, no matter how many times I fail, because every fall has shaped me who I am today. I stand here not only as a contestant, but as a voice for those people who are unheard, unseen, inspire the young ones, because I strongly believe that the youth are the future leader of our tomorrow. Thank you, Kublai Shibun.
Judges, to our hosts, and to everyone present here. My name is Bunda Bolang Saukme, proudly presenting Mawlai Nongpur. I am currently a student doing my bachelor's at the subject Geography at Synod College. I'm a person who is passionate and love to travel to see the green hills and to see what Mother Nature has given us. I am also a person who loves to play football and to go out fishing. Thank you.
Each and every one of you present here, especially to you, my dear respected judges. I am Dunbaklang Alvinstar Saukme, 18 years of age, born and brought up in this beautiful locality, Mawlai Modatbaki. My journey with pageant began long before I stepped onto a stage. It all started in the living room, watching with awe as beautiful women captured hearts with their confidence and passion. As a child, I was fascinated by the way they carried themselves, and I knew it right then that I also want to be as confident and passionate as them. Fast forward to today, I am here, standing tall, competing in this pageant and fulfilling my own childhood dream. I am excited to share my story, to inspire the youth and to learn from this incredible community. Thank you, Kublai Shibun.
Ni ching ai badet like sang samla Mawlai Pulun, the song sentil, but it hope second mau, bapinbu, ha la ying, kum itak, ban pini, yak chingadan bantalan jopi, but the sense.
Balak kot ngobha yang banyadon lang bentakaski, hakadikaski, closing ceremony jongka padap arpo teli kisnem. di kumbala penpau kumpung amkua bensim ya kapor hapreng program kepadang yaj ndrei ngalatu ya kapor kejumpi kendiat di kumbala penpau bana kalian jungaru ngakua bendon jing syahdu ka program kebakut ndrei mino kakam kebamla bertiar tingam la syu pensong halu ka program kebakut di hak kapor la kalian junga kapau ik jing ai puleben sa isen la kalian ka seng samla mulai pulun bala khot Snobha penjadon rengkat lang betakas ngi kenika program joka seng samla mulai pelun kaba ngalayo ya jingtip ba kenika program kalaya kumba sibenai lenter haki disiplin beper na kalian ka seng samla kepala pelong dikei kaba na kalian junga ngadon hakri kapor kalong ka kejing ai mensim bet kit pop kiduyang ya ka seng samla mulai pelun boy kejing pelong kejong pi ya ki program habe dei bo Kasnong Mawlai hi berok kuei kadai kejing ai mensim ya ki khun samla kijungi ki badon ya kasap katalen kepaper kepakongsan kalong kejingnya kenduk lang kejing pelong ke program kalong kepakongsan kadai kejingnya teli kejingnya su jemut apreng ki parasnong parathau de nak le kejungi idon tang kuei kejing ai mensim nak tanta kejungi lengba kenika program kaba pi pelong Ngais camp bagi kun samla ki jungi ki yo bensim menta aki sab ki talen ke ba ki don bengais camp panga kri program menta kaski habagade bagi ki pelong ya ki miss but Mr. Mawlai kano kejing I bensim ya ki samla bensim menta benyo ha kane kersan mo kum kai jing experience na kam ta jungki bensim menta pat ha ki wei ki program Bandai tang kena kambes pada Mister ngais camp haki basketball, haki football, haki cricket, haki wei de kicing lekai bakal yang kaseng samla kala pelong kalong kecing ai mensim na kampa ki kun samla tengam kwa bensim sibun ya kapor bengis camp na kalian jopi ki nong snong jo Mawlai hi barok kawei bet ngaru ngalong nong snong hi jo Mawlai belai ngaplai tang mentakasgi akun sosi ke bajingai ngadu naradikor ngawan Andrei ngas ngogi ya ka Mawlai mo i presiden yo ka seng samlai la pentip yang ngas arti yo shwa suba papius bendon lem hakasngi art pulai terik ka dei ka sni penkut jong ka program yo ka seng samla te benok emro ngalu masuthu apre ka jingpun kam hakni ki por ki ba hakni ki benai ka jingpun kam ka ba hapen be seni setai Andrei ngas ngau bangaru adai unong Mawlai ngamla benong kentaj pengamuan ha ka ka program ka jong pi
Art washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life. A very good evening to you judges and everyone present here. My name is Damewan K. Karyam. I'm 22 years old and I'm very passionate about music and modeling. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in sociology and I'm excited to showcase my talents, share my story and represent Mawlai Nonglom in this esteemed platform. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It is about learning to dance in the rain. A very good evening to our dear judges and to every one of you present here. My name is Rani. Proudly representing my Mawlong rim. I'm 20 years of age, currently pursuing my bachelor's in political science. My goal is to pursue a career in modeling, and my ambition is not just to become a model, but a role model for others. One thing about me is, no matter how many downfalls I face in life, I've risen stronger and wiser. Because as they say, the darkest night produces the brightest stars. Thank you. Kubeshibon.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and our esteemed panel of jury. Let me paint a picture. There's a little boy who lost his beloved mother due to breast cancer. But his courage, with the might of the purpose, with his vision, power of mind, he is standing here in front of you, your very own contestant number 8, R1 Lingdo Mawlong. I am a 23 years old, holding a bachelor's degrees in arts, skill and development, University of Delhi, and preparing for my UPSC Civil Service 2026. I am someone who dare to dream big, because purpose is life, courage is purpose. So, in today's world, we should believe that we have a purpose. Carrying a legacy where the human being must occur, and that is what you must be. Therefore, I, the tie I'm wearing, represent leadership, hard work, that the Rindia red represent power, a power of peace, that the people of Meghalaya, the people of my very own people, I represent the citizens of Mawlai Area. Bleshibon, thank you.
Hoi, 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 hoi. Life is all about trying new things. Kublay ko nong Mawlai, kajan miet kabakamen bat kabasok ya pibaro. Good evening to you all, dear judges, and all our executive member of the Sengsamla Mawlai Pulun. I am Yaipen Skamlang Tensong, 19 years old, and currently based in Mawlai Mawro and representing also Mawlai Mawro. I am here to showcase the deep-rooted heritage of our traditional heritage. My hobbies are, I am really into team sports such as football, cricket, basketball, and so on. My ambition in life is to become a lawyer. Why lawyer? Because Pope Paul VI once said, if you want peace, work with justice. Thank you. Kublai Shibun, Kublai Shiajargo.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Michael Devin Shabong. And I'm representing Mawlai Mawlai. I'm currently pursuing my class 11 at St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School. I'm passionate with sports, especially boxing, which is my main sports. And last but not least, I'm very grateful to be part of Mr. Mawlai, and I'm looking forward for the best. Thank you. Bless you both.
It is indeed a humble opportunity for me to be a part of this prestigious event this evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rani, and I am from Mawlai Lahduh. I've completed my bachelor degree in business administration, and I am currently working with TTI as an agent executive specialist. My areas of interest are swimming and playing basketball, and I aspire to become a successful businessman, an entrepreneur, and a model. If there is something that I would like to share with you guys today, that will be one quote that I usually resonate to, and that is, success is not a key to happiness, but happiness is a key towards success. If you are happy with what you're doing, you will surely be successful one day. Thank you and have a wonderful evening. Bless you all.
Play kajamiat pakaban basok ipi baro. Ningkong ni sharp nakwa ben pau ka jisongu ikinong penyai. Kata kaseng samla Mawlai Pulun. Kabla penrong ngai kini karensan nakabenta ki khana samla Pulun Mawlai Pulun. Once again, hello and a very good evening to everyone. I Felix Khatama, 20 years old, from Mawlai Umjayo. I'm currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in zoology. My hobbies are cooking, listening to music, watching animes, and I'm also a fitness enthusiast where fitness plays an important role in my life. I believe true beauty is a balance of physical strength, mental discipline, and a good character. My aim in life is to grow continuously and build a meaningful career in zoology where I can contribute to wildlife conservation while positively influencing others. Thank you, Kublai Shibuan.
Haka cricket, minayat sapang bat kani ke cricket ru. Imak alenda lamare, daman langsun, nang tay rentatyang, don bok lang hujan, sanki dhar, Sylvester Wanyang, Neri Kupar Dhar, Fredison Melim Umlong, Anthony Kuryam, bat Hamles Melim Umlong. Nekerpat yakini kibarap lem haka cricket. Mark Alenda Lamare, Daman Langsun, Nangtai Rintathyang, Dunbok Lang Hujan, Sanki Dhar, Sylvester Wanyang, Neri Kupat.
the way how we walk also. Thank you.
Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Thank you, sir, for the question. In my answer to that question is that in 5 years from now, I believe that I could see myself inspiring the society and the youth and the generation of today, and believing in myself that I can do it one day, and I will make sure that I will do it. Thank you.
Shravan again, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
My question to you is, if given an opportunity to change something in the society, what would it be and why? I repeat, if you were given an opportunity to change something in the society, what would it be and why?
If there was something that I would like to change in the society, that is to make education more better than it is right now. Taking an example of Meghalaya itself, it is the least in the educational scale. And right now, I want Meghalaya to do better, to be more educated, especially the youth. I want them to aim more in life. There's so much more out there than what they see. Thank you so much.
How would you give back to your community if crowned? I repeat, how would you give back to your community if crowned?
Thank you, ma'am, for this question. Thank you.
My question is, what change would you like to see in today's youth? I repeat, what change would you like to see in today's youth?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the question. In today's youth, I would like people to be aware of the employment opportunities that our youth face and the mental well-being, because it can cause social issues like peer pressure and substance abuse, and it can also cause stress. If we invest in the education and the employment opportunities given to our youth, we can create a better community and a society for a better tomorrow. Thank you so much.
My question to you is, who or what inspired you to take part in today's pageant? I repeat, who or what inspired you to take part in today's pageant?
Thank you so much, sir, for this beautiful question. I believe that standing here tonight, I am the one who I should give myself that kind of achievement, because I have always feared standing here on the stage. But today I stand, and I think this is the biggest achievement for me. Thank you.
The question is, if given one opportunity to change something in society, what would it be and why? I repeat, if given one opportunity to change something in society, what would it be and why?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that beautiful question. So if I had one opportunity to change about youth, I think I would choose education. Because I see today most of the young people are not be able to go to school because of their so-called like drugs addict and all. So I would like to work on education to empower them that education is important, because at the end is education will raise you up. Thank you.
The question is, how can youth lead the fight against climate change? I repeat, how can youth lead the fight against climate change?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the beautiful question. I believe that the youth can fight against climate change by respecting each other, supporting each other, and to lead examples by giving kindness and supporting each other, and they can fight against this
climate change by having that sense in them to overcome these challenges in life. Thank you.
The question is, what impact does social media have on self-image? I repeat, what impact does social media have on self-image?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the question. I personally believe that social media does not have or create any impact on us. Social media is not the one that's affecting us. What is affecting us is our mental health and our mental stability. How we manage social media, how we manage with what we see in social media is what is affecting us. Social media is a smart innovation and development. I think it's high time we appreciate new developments and not criticize them for what is affecting us and what we are doing to ourselves. Thank you.
The question is, how would you represent your state or community with pride? I repeat, how would you represent your state or community with pride?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the question. I would represent my state or community with pride by honoring its values, its tradition, its heritage. And I would also very much support my state with its local initiatives and the way it provides for us daily. Thank you so much.
How would you describe yourself in 3 words and why?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the wonderful question. I myself are described as confident, compassionate, and determined. I'm confident with purpose, compassionate towards others, and determined to grow each steps every day. Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
My question to you is, what is more important, beauty or brains? I repeat, what according to you is more important, beauty or brains?
Thank you so much, sir, for your question. Well, I believe that brain is more important because beauty is subjective, and the best possibility is being the best version of yourself inside and out. Thank you.
Alright, my question to you is, how can traditional knowledge protect nature? I'll repeat the question. How can traditional knowledge protect nature?
Thank you, ma'am, for the question. Traditional knowledge can protect nature very well. When we are aware, we are proud of our culture, our tradition. We can protect nature by preserving our culture, our custom, and proudly live our culture and showcase to the world what our tradition is made of. Thank you.
Stop. Stop. Please raise your hands. Yeah, raise your... everything? Fine? No more changes. Please collect their pens. If you win this evening, how would you inspire the people of Mawlai, and what initiative would you take to bring good changes for the betterment of Mawlai?
If I win this title, I would like to create awareness for our youth who have battled their life with drugs addiction, because they deserve to see the change in their life.
Thank you. Contestant number 2.
If I win this evening, I would use my voice to help the people of Mawlai, to speak up for their problems and to empower them, especially the young people and the women. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next.
I believe in the quote that education is the source to empower the people of Mawlai. First, the populations of 5,012 of the Mawlai people to ensure the safety and population of the people in Mawlai. 2, to win it takes responsibility as your winner. Thank you.
If I win this show, my voice matters, as it will be heard by many youngsters and youth of this generation, and I must choose my words wisely what to speak.
Thank you.
I stand here today as a voice for the blind, the deaf, and the mute. If I win tonight, I will inspire the people of Mawlai to always believe in yourself. Thank you.
If I win Mr. Mawlai, I will influence the youth to believe in themselves and to stop doubting themselves, be their own boss, form businesses so you can give employment to our youth of today. Thank you.
As a citizen of Mawlai, I know that we face a lot of societal norms, criticism and societal norms, and living up to societal norms. I would want to say that prioritize yourself and do not let others define your worth. Don't let others doubt your worth. Societal norms and critics will always be there. Comparison and criticism will always be there. But all you need is to take that first step, and everyone who were once against you will eventually walk beside you. Thank you.
If I win tonight, I would inspire the youth of Mawlai to not let anybody put a price tag on them. I would inspire and create awareness for them to come out and speak for themselves, fight for your dreams, and success will definitely come to you. Thank you.
I participate in Miss Mawlai to represent my community with pride. If I was to be crowned, I would inspire others and to uplift them in trusting and believing in themselves, also to embrace their talents and to never be afraid of chasing their dreams. Thank you.
If I win this evening, I would inspire the society through collaborating with projects, creating awareness about humanity, to be independent, and to have a good education. Thank you.
Youth of Mawlai represent the present strength, where I stand for confidence, strength, and independence. I believe in youth who believe in themselves. When we rise together, we can build a better community. Thank you so much.
If I win this pageant, I will uplift the youth by inspiring to believe in themselves. Let them know that education is the greatest power. When our youth are confident, skilled, and proud of themselves, Mawlai will rise brighter and stronger. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the questioning round of these top 6. And from among them, we will get the winners. So thank you. Please take your walk and please go back.
Shravan Pradhan, Rochelle Mitson, and Irene Dikhal. Well, thank you very much and congratulations to all of you. You did a wonderful job. Thank you to the judges. It was a very difficult task, I know that. I'm so glad I'm standing here, I'm not in your shoes. Well, before I announce the subtitles and the winners of Mr. and Ms. Mawlai 2026, I would like to show my appreciation to one person, Ibrahim Arab, Ben Groom, Ben Ikai, Ben Yad, Ben Yang, Ben Kunu, Ben Kren, the choreographer of this event today. Please give a big round of applause to Ms. Rochelle W. Mitson. Thank you, Rochelle. You did a great job. So we'll start with subtitles, okay? Subtitles. So it will be like this. The subtitles will be traditional, followed by catwalk, followed by personality. One for the boys and one for the girls. And the same person will hand over the prize, okay? Judge number one for the first subtitle, okay?
The subtitle for the boys in traditional round goes to contestant number 6 for the boys.
Please come in front.
Let's give a round of applause for contestant number 6 for winning
Best traditional
the best
wear.
traditional.
And from the girls, the best traditional goes to contestant number 5. Yershanto, Yershanto. Congratulations. Thank you. And now for the best catwalk.
The best catwalk subtitle for boys goes to contestant number 10, Michael Davin Shabong. Give a round of applause for this contestant, number 10 from the boys, for winning the subtitles Best Catwalk.
The best catwalk from the girls goes to contestant number 12, Yapishisha Mawlong. Please give her a big round of applause. Thank you very much.
And the subtitles for Best Personality for the boys goes to contestant number 3, Derek Wallapi.
Best personality from the girls goes to contestant number 3, Kelariti Kharkamor. Okay, so now we've come to that part, and before I announce, both of us announce the winners, please let me say this once again, that you being here on stage, on this big stage, and it looks so grand, this pageant today looked very, very beautiful and so grand. Thank you so much for bearing with the cool. And I could play you if Baro, if Aisha, when I support the contestants, please make some noise for all of them. Yeah? So congratulations. For most of you, I think this is the first time you're on stage, but I think you did a pretty damn job. Huh? I give you a high five for that. You're all winners in front of my eyes, okay? So let it be then. Clem to Pen Slam Show. Judge number 1 will crown first, okay? Please. Shravan. So we'll start from the second runner-up to first runner-up and then winner, okay?
The second runner-up from the boys for Master Mawlai goes to contestant number 12, Felix. Goes to contestant number 12, Felix Abdullah.
The winner will get a cash prize and a memento. Miss Irene. Please stand there. You can walk in front.
The second runners up for the girls. Second runner up for the girls to be Miss Mawlai is contestant number 12, Dapi Shisha Mawlong. For winning the second runner-up of Miss Mawlai 2026.
Well, congratulations and thank you. I would like to call judge number 2, Miss Irene Dekha. Miss Irene Dekha. The first runner-up from the boys goes to contestant number. Goes to contestant number 3.
Derek Walaki.
First runner-up.
The first runner-up for Mr. Mawlai 2026 is Derek Swalapi, contestant number 3. Give a round of applause for Derek Swalapi being the first runner-up of Mr. Mawlai 2026.
The first runner-up from the girls for Miss Mawlai 2026 goes to contestant number 5, Rochelle.
Please give a round of applause for Rochelle Warika Bamon for being the first runner-up of Miss Mawlai 2026. Congratulations to the second runner-up of both boys and girls, first runner-up of both boys and girls too.
Congratulations, thank you. And now we would like to invite Miss Rochelle to please come in front. And now, Mr. Mawlai 2026 goes to...
This...
Can you guess? Contestant number 11.
Contestant number 11. Rani is the first Mr. Mawlai 2026. Congratulations to you, Andrew. The winner of Mr. Mawlai 2026 gets a sash, a trophy, and a cash prize of 10,000 rupees. Congratulations.
Congratulations. And now, Miss Mawlai 2026 goes to contestant number 10.
Contestant number 10 is being crowned now as Miss Mawlai 2026. She is Ibankerbha Mawlong. Congratulations to you, Ibankerbha. She receives a sash, a crown, a bouquet of flowers, a trophy, and a cash prize of 10,000 rupees. Congratulations to you once again. Congratulations to all the winners of the subtitles, the first runner-up, the second runner-ups, and also the subtitles. And our heartiest congratulations goes to all the participants of the Mr. and Miss Mawlai 2026. You have put your efforts. God bless you all.
Well, what a night it has been. A very long night, but I think it's worth it. I could even mental yeah?
But Kenya can mouse up.